Welcome to Binary Bytes, your source for bite-sized tech knowledge. In today's video, we will cover the topics: cyber security, cyber attacks, firewalls, cryptography-based solutions, digital signature. Starting with the topic of cyber security. Cybersecurity is an important aspect of e-commerce, as it involves protecting sensitive data such as personal information, financial details, and transaction records. Here are some common cybersecurity measures that e-commerce businesses can take to help protect their customers' data. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to help prevent unauthorized access to accounts. Implement encryption protocols to secure sensitive data during transmission and storage. Regularly monitor and update software and systems to help identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Train employees and staff on best practices for data protection, such as avoiding phishing scams and using secure networks. Implement regular backups and disaster recovery plans to help ensure business continuity in the event of a security breach. These are just a few examples of the many cybersecurity measures that e-commerce businesses can implement to help protect their customers' data and ensure a safe and secure online shopping experience. Moving to the next topic of cyber attacks. Cyber attacks are malicious attempts to gain unauthorized access to sensitive information or disrupt normal computer system operations. In e-commerce, cyber attacks can take various forms, such as phishing, a fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information by disguising as a trustworthy entity in an electronic communication. Malware, malicious software designed to harm computer systems, such as viruses, spyware, ransomware, and Trojans. Distributed denial of service, an attack that attempts to overwhelm a server or network by flooding it with traffic. SQL injection, an attack that targets a website's database by exploiting vulnerabilities in the code. Man-in-the-middle, an attack that intercepts and alters communication between two parties without their knowledge. E-commerce businesses can protect themselves against cyber attacks by implementing strong security measures, such as using up-to-date security software and firewalls, regularly patching and updating software and systems, training employees on security awareness and best practices, implementing strong authentication and encryption protocols, regularly monitoring and analyzing network activity to detect and respond to potential threats. By taking these precautions, e-commerce businesses can help prevent cyber attacks and protect their customers' data from theft or compromise. Now let's see what a firewall is. A firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. It acts as a barrier between a private network and the public internet to prevent unauthorized access to a network or system. Firewalls can be hardware or software-based and work by analyzing incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined security rules. If the traffic is allowed, it is forwarded to the appropriate destination, and if not, it is blocked. Firewalls can also be configured to filter traffic based on specific criteria, such as IP addresses, domain names, protocols, ports, and applications. This can help to prevent certain types of cyber attacks, such as distributed denial of service attacks, by blocking traffic from known malicious sources. In e-commerce, firewalls are an essential security measure to protect against cyber attacks and ensure the safety of customer data. By implementing a firewall, e-commerce businesses can help prevent unauthorized access to their network, reduce the risk of data breaches, and ensure the secure transmission of customer data. Moving to the next topic: cryptography-based solutions. Cryptography is the practice of securing information by converting it into a code that is unreadable without a key or password. A cryptography-based solution is a security measure that uses cryptography to protect sensitive data and ensure secure communication. There are many different cryptography-based solutions used in various industries, including e-commerce. These solutions are used to protect data confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. Some examples of cryptography-based solutions used in e-commerce include Secure Sockets Layer Transport Layer Security, Encryption. This is a standard encryption protocol used to secure online communication by encrypting data transmitted between a web server and a web browser. SSL/TLS encryption ensures that the data exchanged between the parties is secure and cannot be intercepted or modified by a third party. Public key encryption. This is a cryptographic method that uses a pair of keys to encrypt and decrypt data. One key is public and can be shared freely, while the other key is private and must be kept secret. Public key encryption is used for secure communication, digital signatures, and online transactions. Tokenization. This is a process that replaces sensitive data, such as credit card information, with a unique identifier or token. The token can be used to perform transactions, while the sensitive data is stored securely in a separate location. Hashing. This is a cryptographic process that converts data into a fixed-length, irreversible string of characters. Hashing is used to ensure data integrity and authenticate the data source. By using cryptography-based solutions, e-commerce businesses can help protect sensitive data and ensure the security of online transactions. These solutions play an important role in securing e-commerce platforms and building trust between businesses and their customers. Coming to the last topic of today's lecture, digital signature. A digital signature is a technique used to verify the authenticity and integrity of electronic documents, messages, and transactions. It is a type of electronic signature that uses cryptography to create a unique identifier for a document or message. When a digital signature is created, it generates a unique hash code that is attached to the document. This hash code is then encrypted using the signer's private key, which is known only to the signer. The encrypted hash code is then added to the document as a digital signature. When someone receives a digitally signed document, they can verify the signature by using the signer's public key, which is available to everyone. The recipient's computer generates a hash code from the document and then decrypts the signature using the public key. If the decrypted signature matches the hash code, the document is considered authentic and has not been altered since it was signed. Digital signatures are widely used in e-commerce to ensure the authenticity and integrity of transactions and electronic documents. They provide a secure way to verify the identity of the signer and protect against fraud and tampering. Digital signatures are also legally binding in many countries and can be used to create enforceable contracts and agreements. That's all for today's e-commerce lecture. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by liking and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more bite-sized tech knowledge and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. We will be back soon with more exciting lectures on e-commerce and other tech topics. Till then, keep learning, and we will see you in the next one.